Master Biker here. Today, we got a special little treat. Something that everybody needs in your life, and it's not just for your e-bikes. We got the CYC Plus in. We're gonna open her up. I'm gonna show you what it is, and basically it's an air pump, okay guys? But you know, you can use it for everything. You don't have to just pump up your bikes. You can pump up each and every single thing in your life. So I'm gonna show you how I use it. Let's go. All right, let's open it up. Super simple. I've already been putting this to use. Boom, box. Instruction manual comes in like 20 languages, so you're good to go. But this is gonna be super simple and easy. Look how small it is. Look how compact it is. A couple other pieces. Bam, you're gonna hook on that so you can easily pump up everything. This little, couple other little pieces so that you can do all the different knobs and nubs and bubs and everything in between that you need to pump up. It's everything for every single thing that you will ever pump in your life, including your car tires, which I will show you guys. I'll do that too real quick. Boom, just up close and personal. This, I'll show you how it all goes. All right, so bam, look how small it is, super compact. All you do is you charge it up right there on the top. USB comes with a little, you know, cord for you to charge up. Power button is right there, comes on. Then you got your plus and your minus to set your PSI. And then what you do is you come over here, you get this little piece, screw it on right there, bam, and then you can hook it up. That's what you hook up to all your bike, you know, inner tubes. And then once you have the PSI, boom, power button, and you're good to go. So let's get some things pumped up. All right, we got a flat ball, so let's get it pumped up. What you do is you take this piece right here, you're gonna screw on the little needle, boom, 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 bam. Get a little wet. I swear my dad would always tell me to do that before you stick it in. Put it in here, we set the PSI. Oh, we're off. Let's turn it on. Boom, boom, boom. This is way down low. And I mean, you can just manually stop it too. I'm gonna put it at like 13. And then boom, look how easy it is. So then it will tell you as it's going up. 10, 11, 12. I'm just stopping it right there. Bam, nice and filled. Woo! All right, let's go fill up the next thing. So my car kept saying that I had low tire pressure, so let's even do it on here with 44 PSI. So we'll go like 35. Take off this little piece because we're not, you know, filling up a ball. Get over here, boom. You're gonna watch out. The one thing you're gonna wanna watch out for is that in the manual it does say that this piece is gonna be hot, especially when you're filling up something for a second. Whoa, hang on. So we gotta go up to, let's do 35. Bam, screw it on. It will tell us where we're at, and then we'll get going. All right, guys, let's get it set. It said 44. Let's take it up to 40. Boom. All right, we've been going for a second, so it's at 37. It's using a lot of battery to get this up. I'm gonna get it up to 38, then I'm gonna cut it off. Maybe we'll go all the way. You can do it. You can do it all day long. And it shuts off, you're good to go. So look, you can even fill up. Okay, yeah, it's gonna be hot. Haha, you can even fill up your tires. Make sure you, let's see, hang on. Don't touch that. Boom, get it capped. Oh yeah, and you're good to go. All right, so little life hack. You can also just use it as like a pressure gauge as well, because when you put it on, watch, it's gonna tell you exactly where you're at. Let's hit the power button. So this tire, you can see, is at 40 PSI, oh, 46, okay. So I'm way too high. So that's probably what was going on while my gauge was also going off. So let's get this, bam, we're at 40 exactly what we wanna be at, it's perfect. All right, guys, last but not least, we're going to use the CYC Plus on the Happy Run G300 Pro and check these tires for show. Make sure we're nice and safe. So this back tube, tube didn't have like a little cap right there. It's at 29 PSI, which is good. I think I had it at 30. So yeah, 29 PSI, all good. Let's check the front tire. there we go. You can see the front is 30. So I guess not having that cap maybe dropped it a little bit, but we're still all good. All right, everybody, it's 2025. So out with the old, bam. In with the new CYC Plus for you, and you. If you want that easy, simple way to inflate all of your e-bike, dirt bike, car, tires, even your, basketballs, footballs, anything else in between, anything you need to inflate, CYC Plus is ready to go. So if you want it in your life, go ahead and click the link below. Make it a little bit easier. This is that easy button for you. Till our next ride, till our next adventure, till our next amazing product, just saving us so much time and energy from pumping all day. This is Matt, Master Biker. Catch you guys later. Peace.